welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I have got a wonderful quick show for you. Everybody is making avocado toast in all kinds of ways. So I'm going to show you one way that I love to have it. And so if you recall, did this show. I made a guacamole and it's already prepared here, and it'll be on your left hand side on the top of the screen. So you'll want to make this prior to making your avocado toast. You will need just toast, of course, and I've already toasted this lightly. You'll need the everything seasoning, bagels, and more. This is yummy. You're going to sprinkle that on top. Just 2 hard-boiled eggs, and we're going to use some fancy arugula or a spring mix of lettuce, and that's it. I went ahead and sliced one up, but I'm going to show you how to do it if it comes out right. Here we go. You're going to want to slice it very thin, and just because we're going to put it on top of the avocado, and it's okay if it's not perfect, but I mean, you want it to try to be really pretty. Let me go this way, and we've got that one, and we've got this one. We'll cut off the little end, and there we go. We've got it cut up really pretty, and now we're going to assemble the toast. Okay, I toasted my bread there, and you can use any bread that you want. And you're going to scoop some of the chunky guacamole, and you're going to spread it on top of here, and as much as you want. And you know what I love about this is that it's already got your tomatoes, your onion, so many wonderful things in here, and it's so healthy. This avocado has like about 20 vitamins, and it's so good for you. So I'm spreading it out as nice and flat as I can, and just as smooth. You know, if you want a pretty presentation, you're taking your time, but if you're in a hurry, you could just smush it all on there. So we've got that. Now we're going to lay some of the greens on top here. We're going to lay a couple of the greens on top, and some different ones. It looks so cool just with the different ones we have here. And you could do a spring mix. We'll put this under here. Next thing you want to do is you're going to layer your eggs on top. Just kind of get them, I want them to look pretty, so I'm going to kind of layer them real pretty. And then we'll put a couple more on this side, and there you go. And the very last thing you're going to do is sprinkle some of this seasoning. It's the bagel. Oh, it's so wonderful. More flavor on here. I'm going to try to get it on top of everyone because it looks so pretty. Look how beautiful that looks. Last thing you're going to do is you're going to slice this in half. You're going to slice it right in half. Hopefully it stays beautiful. And slice it in half, and we're going to put it on a plate, and I'll be right back. So here it is. Isn't this such a beautiful looking avocado toast? And you can enjoy it with some chips, and you can also have some guacamole on the side if you want more, and have a wonderful drink. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you again on Maria's Kitchen for more recipes. Stay tuned and subscribe, and see you then. Jesus said, "Whoever believes in me, as the scriptures have said, rivers of living water will flow from within." The Spirit and the bride say, "Come, let the one who is thirsty come, and let anyone who desires drink freely from the water of life." He said to me, "To the thirsty I will give water without cost from the spring and the water of life."